My senior research is based around community gardening, but more specifically indigenous community gardening. It goes into like traditional ecological knowledge as well, and the loss of that during boarding school times. And so now I'm working with a group on campus who are creating a indigenous garden, and we're kind of thinking, okay, like how do we heal from past traumas? So it can go from like vegetables to flowers to native plants that are in the area. I come from Crown Point, New Mexico, and that is a food desert. You have to go an hour away in every direction to find like a good grocery store. Living with that and coming here and learning about gardening and how to garden has really impacted me, and I just want to go back and share that as much as I can.